Hey guys, welcome back to Pat's Facts and More. If you're returning, thank you for returning to my channel. If you're brand new, thank you for stopping in and seeing what we're all about. Back with another review for you guys today. I'm super excited for this. If you watched the last review, I pulled out this Knob Creek 15 limited release. Fantastic bourbon. This release, I got Knob Creek 18 year. I think there's a rule of thumb. Most people say plan on spending about $10 a year, which would put that bottle at $180. I'm gonna look at this thing. I think the MSRP on this thing is about $169, but good luck finding this thing for that price. $169 the MSRP. Let's get right into this thing. Mash bill on this guy's 75 to 77, so I'm thinking it's 77% corn, 13% rye, 10% malted barley. I think that differs from batch to batch. This thing weighs in at 100 proof. This is release KC003, aged 18 years. Knob Creek, Claremont, Kentucky. Not a lot of details on the bottle. Full body, caramelized oak with hints of sweet bacon spices. That's neither here nor there. Let's see what I think about it. Guys, thanks for coming back. Y'all know I work a 9-to-5 job. I'm gonna give y'all these bourbon reviews, but I'm gonna enjoy myself. It's Wednesday night here in North Carolina. The Wolfpack suffered a loss. We beat Chapel Hill, but we lost to Virginia. But I know I usually have a cool t-shirt on you, but I got to represent for the boys at NC State and all the alumni. So I'm working on a Tattawahey tonight. Fausto. This isn't going to taint my... a lot of guys told me, said, if we can't smoke a cigar and taste the bourbon, I can. And it's been a long week so far. I wanted to enjoy me a nice cigar. Picked this up. My brother-in-law set me up with this guy. I put him on and told him how good they were, and I went and bought a box of cigars from him, and he gave me one. These are fantastic cigars from Pete Johnson out of Tattawahey. You guys get a chance and you're in North Carolina, shoot on by JR Cigar. I'm not sponsored or anything by them. It's just a great establishment. I go to the one in Selma. My brother-in-law works up at the one in Burlington. You guys get by there and pick you up a couple sticks. Let's get down to business. All right. Like I said, I did the 15 review. That 15 is a tough customer. If you look at this bottle, I've drunk some of this 18, and I'm gonna tell you right now, first thing first. This one, it fires off. Where the 15 didn't shine as hard in the oak department, and it had a lot of other complex flavors. The 12 comes in with a heavy hit of oak. For the 18, if oak's your thing, which I do like oak, the oak's back. There's a I don't get down with all the, you know, oh well, you know, we're going down to Whole Foods and got a holistic diet. I'm on country boy, but Whole Foods does carry a lot of stuff that I like, and they've got a caramelized ginger. A crystallized ginger. There's a note of that in this Knob Creek 18. Oak forward, a little bit of sweet fruit, definitely some ginger on that thing, which it smells kind of spicy. Let's put it to the palate. Definitely got that oak. It's not as drying as the 15 was. I think it just comes in where I would expect the 18 to come in. Like I said, the rule of thumb is 10 years per year at 180. It's a hard sell for some people, but it ain't a hard sell for me. This thing is fantastic. The oak, I'm not a proof hound. Some people are proof hounds. This thing's 100 proof. All these offerings are 100 proof. Once you get into some of these other bottles, Knob Creek's got some barrel selects that are 100, 120, and if that's your thing, that's your thing. With cigars, bourbon, I care more about flavor than I do about power. At 100 proof, it's gonna get you there. You sip on enough 100 proof, you're gonna get wherever it is you're trying to get. And for this one, it's gonna get you there, but the difference in getting there, this will get you there in a Mercedes. This will get you there in maybe a Maserati. This gets you there in a Rolls Royce. That 18 year, it's got a good blend. Oak from the 12 comes back, but it's combined with a dark fruit, caramelized ginger. I don't know what people rank this thing in 2025. It's 2026, February 2026. Black History Month. I'm gonna make some Black History. Pat tell you go buy this thing if you can get your hands on it. If you can find this 18 for under $200, don't hesitate. Pull the trigger. It could be over $200, and I'd say you're not gonna go wrong with this. It's got a lasting finish. Lingers on the palate. It's very nice. Not a lot of. It's complex, but it's not complicated. It's exactly what I want my bourbon to taste like midweek. When I want to get a sip, and this is a special occasion sip. It's not, because the scarcity of it makes it a special occasion sip. Where I come from, every day is a special occasion. I don't care if you work 9 to 5 in corporate America, whatever it is. You want to take a load off, you want to treat yourself to something special, get your Knob Creek 18. Guy told me, mark of good cigars, you can run your mouth and walk around and you can come back to it, it's still going to be lit. Guess my cigars are properly humidified. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the night. I'm going to make this a short review. This ain't nothing but ice water. I'm going to hit this one more time. I don't think my opinion's going to change. It's got a great nose. Guys, that's all I got. If y'all have access to get this bottle, put away as many of them as you can. If you find an MSRP, I'd say buy 5 of them and stack them away. I don't think this thing's going anywhere. It's a great bottle, and it stacks up against about anything I got on this bar. Get one. And until then, guys, y'all have a great one. Thank you for joining me again at Pat's Facts and More. I want to keep bringing you guys videos. Like the videos if you like them. Hey, you might not like my opinion, but subscribe so that you can hear what's coming on with the next bourbon. You guys have a great night.